Question number 1. Find the coordinate of the points. Coordinates of the point which divides the join of the point minus 1 7 a x1 by 1 and b x2 by 2 is 4 minus 3 and in the ratio m1 is to m2 that is equal to 2 is to 3. Here the ratio m1 is to m2 that is equal to 2 is to 3. Let pxy be a point which divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2 that is equal to 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. Let A point x1 y1 and point B is x2 y2. P point 2 is to 3, m1 is to m2 and point A is minus 1 7 and point B is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 and point P is xy. Here we apply the section formula. By section formula, what is x? X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? m1 is equal to 2, x2 coordinate of b, first coordinate of b that is x2 is equal to 4, m2 is equal to 3, coordinate of x1 that is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, 2 4s are 8 minus 3 divided by 5 that is equal to 5, 8 minus 3 5 divided by 5 that is 1. Therefore coordinate of x is equal to 1. Similarly for find the value of y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1? m1 is equal to 2, y2 that is equal to minus 3 plus m2 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 7 divided by 2 plus 3, m1 plus m2. 2 3 are minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5 that is 15 by 5 that is equal to 3. 5 3 are 50. Therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore coordinate of pxy that is equal to p 1 3 be the required coordinate of the point. Be the required coordinate of the point. Find the coordinate of the points, trisection of the line segment. Coordinates of the point, trisection of the line segment A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Here line segment AB, coordinate of A x1 y1 that is 4 minus 1 and coordinate of B that is x2 y2 that is minus 2 minus 3. P and Q are the points. Trisect the line segment AB. Trisect the line segment AB, that means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB and point P is XY and Q point is X dash Y dash. Here P and Q, PXY and Q X dash Y dash be the points. Trisect AB. Therefore AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Distance of AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB and P divides the line segment AB. Here let PXY divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2, that is equal to AP ratio PB, AP ratio PB, that is equal to 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 because PQ and QB both are 1 1 and AP is 1, so AP is equal to 1 and PQ plus QB, that is equal to PB, and that is equal to 1 is to 2. Therefore, ratio of AP ratio PB is equal to 1 is to 2. Therefore, coordinate of X is by section formula X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. What is M1? M1 is equal to 1. X2 is equal to minus 2 plus M2 is equal to 2, X1 is equal to 4 divided by 1 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, that is equal to 6 by 3. 3 2 is 6. Therefore, X is equal to 2. What is the value of X? X is equal to 2. Similarly, for Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 is equal to 1. Y2 that is equal to negative 3 plus M2 is equal to 2. Y1 is equal to negative 1 divided by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 5 by 3. Therefore, Y is equal to negative 5 divided by 3. Therefore, coordinate of P, X, Y, that is 2 and minus 5 by 3. Therefore, P 2 minus 5 by 3 be the required point of the line segment AB, which divides the AP ratio PB is 1 is to 2. Point P coordinate is 2, minus 5 by 3. Similarly, Q be the midpoint of PB because PQ and QB both are equal. PQ and QB both are equal. Therefore, ratio of PQ is ratio of QB, that is equal to 1 is to 1. PQ and QB are equal. Distance of PQ and distance of QB are equal. Let QX dash Y dash be the midpoint of line segment PB. By midpoint formula, X dash is equal to X plus X2 by 2. Y dash is equal to Y plus Y2 by 2. Otherwise, we apply section formula QX dash Y dash divides the ratio AQ ratio QB. QX dash Y dash divides the ratio AQ ratio QB, that is 2 is to 1. Therefore, X dash is equal to X plus X2 by 2 by midpoint formula. What is X? X is equal to 2 plus minus 2 by 2, that is 0 by 2. Therefore, X dash is equal to 0. And Y dash is equal to Y. What is the value of Y? Minus 5 by 3 plus Y2. Y2 is equal to negative 3 divided by 2, that is minus 5. 3 3s are 9 plus minus 9 divided by 2 and 3. 2 multiply with 3, that is minus 14 by 6. 3 2 is 6. 7 2 is 14. Therefore, Y dash is equal to negative 7 by 3. Therefore, Q X dash Y dash, that is equal to Q 0, minus 7 by 3 be the required point. Therefore, coordinate of P is 2, minus 5 by 3 and coordinate of Q, that is 0, minus 7 by 3. We trisect the line segment AB. Question number 3. Total distance of AD. ABCD is a rectangular. AD is equal to 100 meter. And each flower pot distance is 1 meter. For Niharika stands with a green flag. Niharika stands with a green flag. 1/4 of the distance AD stands on a second line with a green flag. Okay, so therefore x coordinate is equal to 2, second line, and the total distance 1/4 of the AD. 1/4 of the total distance AD means 1/4 of the AD is equal to 100. So y-axis, y coordinate is 1/4 of 100. That means 1/4 into 100. That is equal to 25. Therefore, Niharika stands at a point 225. Okay, and xy and x1 y1 that is equal to n2 comma 25. In a stands on a second line. X-axis is second line, and y coordinate is 1/4 of 100. That is equal to 25. For Preet stands with the red flag. On the 8th line, 1/5 of the distance AD stands with a 8th line of the total distance with a red flag. So x-axis that is equal to 8th line, and y-axis that is equal to 1/5 of the 100. 1/5 multiply 100. Therefore, y coordinate is 20. Therefore, Preet stands with x2 y2, coordinate of x2 y2, it is P8 20, and Rasmi exactly halfway between the Preet and the Niharika. Find the distance between, find the midpoint of NP, means find the point of RXY. Find the point of RXY. Okay, see here. Niharika and Preet. Niharika stands at a point 2, 25, that is x1, y1, and Preet stands with a point 8, 20, 8, 20, and Rasmi exactly midway, halfway of the point, and that point is xy. First, we find the distance between NP by distance formula. Let n x1 y1 that is equal to n2 25 and p x2 y2 that is equal to p 8 20 by distance formula. Distance between NP square that is equal to n1 x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, 2 minus 8 square plus 25 minus 20 square, and that is equal to minus 6 square plus 5 square, that is 36 plus 25, that is equal to 61. Therefore, distance between NP, therefore NP is equal to root 61 unit. Okay, therefore the distance between Niharika and Preet that is equal to root 61 unit. Here, let RXY. Rasmi stands with a blue flag. RXY be the midpoint of NP. Be the midpoint of NP by midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1? 2 plus 8 by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2, and that is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Y is equal to y1 plus y2. 25 plus 20 by 2. That is equal to 45 by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 22 and a half. Therefore, Rasmi stands on a point. Therefore, RXY stands at a point 5, 22.5. Therefore, Rasmi stands with a line, fifth line, at a point 22.5 on the y-axis. Okay. Question number 4. Find the ratio, means find the ratio m1 is to m2 in which the line segment joining the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 divides the point P xy is minus 1 6. Let see here A x1 y1 is minus 310 and B x2 y2 that is 6 minus 8 and point P divides the line segment AB at point minus 1 6. Let P xy that is equal to P minus 1 6 be divides A x1 y1 that is A minus 310 and B x2 y2 that is equal to B 6 comma minus 8 in ratio m1 is to m2. Find the ratio m1 is to m2. Therefore, by section formula, either you apply the formula x is equal to, otherwise y is equal to. But here x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is x? X is equal to minus 1. m1 as it is, x2 is equal to 6 plus m2 as it is, x1 is equal to minus 3 into bracket m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 multiply with minus 1. Therefore, minus m1 minus m2, 6m1 minus 3m2. Therefore, 3m2 transposing 3m2 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 plus m1. Therefore, 2m2 is equal to 7m1. Therefore, m1 is m1 raised to m2. m2 multiply with 2, that is 2 is to 7. Therefore, m1 ratio m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Either we put the value is y form, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, then we find the same ratio. Okay, then we apply formula either x, otherwise y formula. Okay, clear? Find the ratio in which, find the ratio means m1 ratio m2 in which the line segment joining point A x1 y1 is 1 minus 5 and B x2 y2 that is minus 4 5. It divides the x-axis. It divides the x-axis. X-axis means y coordinate is 0. Here line segment AB, AX1 y1 is 1 comma minus 5 and BX2 y2 that is minus 4 comma 5 and P point lies on x-axis. That coordinate is x0. Okay, because P point lies on x-axis and x-axis, that y coordinate is 0 and find the ratio m1 ratio m2 means AP ratio PB, and also find the coordinate of the point of the division means find the coordinate of P. Okay, here let Pxy be a point lies on x-axis, there that is Px0. Therefore, coordinate of P is x0 because the point lies on x-axis. Therefore, y coordinate is 0. Okay. Px0 divides line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2 by section formula. Here y coordinate is 0 Here point P lies on x-axis, their y coordinate is 0, put the value is in y form. Then we find the ratio. Put the value is y form. Y is equal to m1 by 2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here y is equal to 0, m1 as it is, y2, coordinate of y2 that is 5, plus m2 y1 is equal to minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2, and m1 plus m2 multiply with 0 that is equal to 0 is equal to 5m1 minus 5m2. Therefore 5m1 is equal to 5m2. 5m1 is equal to 5m2. Therefore m1 is to m2. If m1 is equal to m2, therefore m1 raised to m2 is equal to 1:1. If ratio of AP and PB both are equal, therefore P is the midpoint of AB. Okay, both are equal, therefore m1 raised to m2 is equal to 1:1. And put this value in X formula. Put this value in X formula. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Why? Because find the coordinate of the point of the division. Coordinate of the point of the division, it is same as coordinate of the point of the intersection. Point of the division and point of the intersection are same. Here m1 is equal to 1, x2 that is equal to minus 4, m2 is 1, x1 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 1. It is minus 4 plus 1 by 2, it is minus 3 by 2. Therefore x coordinate is minus 3 by 2. Therefore the point of the division Px0, that is P minus 3 by 2 comma 0, and ratio, and the ratio m1 is to m2, m1 is to m2, that is equal to 1:1. That is the final answer. If the point P divides by y-axis, if point P divides by y-axis, that coordinate is 0, and put the value is x form, then find the ratio and put y is equal to apply the section formula in y equation. See, if 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the midpoints of the points of a parallelogram. 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, and find x and y. Therefore A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. Then find the midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD, both are same. Then we apply the formula midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Let A 1, 2, B 4y, C x6 and D 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. That is the symbol of parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. Therefore, midpoint of AC, it is same as midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD. What is the midpoint of AC? Apply the formula 1 plus x by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2. It is same as midpoint of BD 4 plus 3 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. Therefore, comparison with first coordinate to first coordinate, second to second coordinate. Therefore, x plus 1 by 2 that is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. And 2 plus 8, 6 by 2, that is 8 by 2 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. Here both denominator have same. Therefore, x plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 minus 1, x is equal to 6. And here 2 will be cancelled out. 8 is equal to 5 plus y. Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinate of x is 6 and y is equal to 3. Okay? Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay? Okay, thank you.